Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're taking on the Can You Cue It Challenge from Barbecue Island and Grill Your Ass Off Barbecue. And this month, we're cooking pineapple. So of course, we're making our pineapple and pork appetizer. So let's start by prepping the pineapple. So the first thing that you want to do is trim off the top and the bottom of the pineapple, and then you want to carefully trim away the hard skin that's on the outside. Now you have all these dots all across the pineapple. And what you want to do now is do a little V-cut all throughout, following the dotted line, and create this spiral-shaped pineapple. What we want to do now is cut away the inside content. So take a knife and carefully cut out the inside, creating a beautiful spiral pineapple tube. With the pineapple that you cut away, cut a slice about 1 inch thick and place this inside the tube. Now suddenly you have a beautiful pineapple bowl. The rest of the pineapple, cube it up into small cubes. We're gonna take these small cubes, we're gonna vacuum seal them because that will change the texture of the pineapple. And now it's time to season the pineapple bowl on both the inside and the outside. And you can go with any commercial barbecue rub. We're gonna use our badass pork boost because it's awesome on pork, but it's also good on pineapple. We also have some previously smoked pulled pork that we want to finely chop and mix with some barbecue sauce. Next, you want to set up your grill for 285 degrees, and I use cherry pellet, and then it's time to place the pork and the pineapple and smoke it for about 30 to 45 minutes. So it's now been 45 minutes and the pulled pork and the pineapple looks amazing, so it's now time to remove it and start plating it. Now mix some of the vacuum sealed pineapple cubes with the pulled pork and then carefully plate this inside the pineapple bowl. Then you want to top it with some more of the vacuum sealed pineapple cubes and finally sauce it with the barbecue sauce. And that is how you make our pineapple and pork appetizer. The best part of this recipe, the pineapple bowl is almost as tasty as the content. So I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. Come on! That is so good. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. Oh, man, that is so tasty.